Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva to create a professional brochure on on Canva. So first thing you have to do is to go to the template section and choose marketing, then just go to the template section and choose this marketing here. You would see a whole bunch of items you could design. So you could see posters, logos, flyers. You see brochure here, even menus. You can click on the brochure and wait for the page to load, where you'd see various templates to choose from and design. Now in this brochure you can choose any one of your choice. You can also search for the particular keyword of that brochure you will be looking for. Let's say it's about food or hairstyles or something similar. You can choose. So let's assume that I've chosen mine and this is mine. Good. So I can go ahead to customize it here, and if I do not want it, I can choose a different brochure. Let me choose this volunteer on, and I would have it this way. So this way we would be kind to promote a cause, maybe making a difference by planting a tree or by volunteering for health outreaches. So this is a very good method or way to create a brochure on Canva with ease. Just click on this customized template. You can change the color, you can change the text, the size, and every other thing. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.